What's up, y'all? It's your boy J Cruz, aka known as the AUDIOZONE, man, with another great day, man. Very happy, very motivated today. God is always good. He's great. He's been fabulous, man. He's doing great things, and I see the fruits of my employees, man. It's not even my employees, man. I call them my family. If you look at my notes, I'm always calling family. We got Josh, we got Gordo with us, we got Drew with us, we got Gallo, we got my Pops. Pops is not with us at this moment because obviously the coronavirus is it's a scary thing, man. To be safe and collective, my father, I'd rather not have him here with me, man. But I miss him dearly because in reality, nobody busts my balls like he does. But you know, on top of that, man, in reality, he's my father. I love just having him around. A great thing. We got my son here, Isaac, with us. We got my son Christian with us here, man. And we are here to serve you. Again, we're at 1230 North Beltline Road here in Irving, Texas. If you need wheels, if you need tires, alarm system, remote starts, wheels, tires, if you're gonna get your car wrapped, if you wanna, anything you could think about, man, anything that makes your car become personalized, that's what we do here at the shop, man. So if you have a dream or something you want to make your car look like, or you have an idea, bring it to me first, man. I guarantee you, not only am I going to be fair, but I'm going to give you the great service and give you the great customer service to take care of you guys, make sure that you're completely happy. My team is going to knock it out the water, man. I guarantee you that, you know, I'm blessed, man. I love my team, and we're just growing and growing every month, man. And even though this attack has came by and we're recuperating from that time, which has really set us back, but in reality, you know what I'm saying, we're pushing forward and we're doing great things, and God's been good, man. But today here in the shop, we got a couple of jobs that are in here right now, man, that one's gonna be a one-off. Ain't ever been done. You ain't ever seen it. It does not exist. We are creating it here at AUDIOZONE here in Irving, Texas, man. We have a Dodge Ram for my client. But this is his Dodge Ram, man. Y'all seen him in other videos before. This is what the factory light looked like on this car, right? Look at the factory light for this Dodge Ram that he has here. We're actually gonna be creating a custom finish for this car, in which it can allow me to be able to put some flow series in a different headlight. So I'm gonna give y'all a little sneak peek of what we're doing to give you what we're trying to create here. But one thing I can tell you, could be the only one that you have ever seen. It does not exist. This is a creation here at the shop, and I'm gonna show you how we're getting it done. Look, this is the headlight we're gonna be installing. I'm gonna remove the plastic so y'all can take a look at it here, man, just so y'all can get an idea. I don't want to give y'all too much. So this is the light that's made for this car to have this white light turn on like a DLR. Let me zoom out here, because this white light turns on like a DLR, right? We're gonna do something stupid with that. We're gonna get this DLR, make it still work as a DLR, but we're gonna install a flow series light in there. That means that it can be doing the color chasing and doing all that kind of flow that you see us doing a lot of the other cars that we do, underglows and grill lights and all the wheel lights and stuff. We're actually gonna be doing that inside of that headlight, man. Like, again, it's a one-off. I'm blessed to be able to have the team that could conquer this job. We got our guy Drew over there rocking and rolling. He has become the light master. I'm gonna tell you something, man. Practice makes perfect. And you know, I've been doing it for a long time. I trained him. Listen, I don't even worry about it no more. I give him the car. I know it's gonna get done. I know it's gonna get done right. He's been a great part of my team, man. Like I said, it became a family here at the shop, and it's exactly what I've been praying for many, many years. I didn't want to come to work and feel like I was coming to work, man. I want to come to work and feel like I was going to hang out with my family. I want to enjoy every day of my life, and we have fun times here. You see us sometimes on YouTube pranking around. Y'all don't really get to see the whole deal on YouTube, man, but one thing we do, we play around with each other. We have confidence. It's a good and a bad thing. Like they say, it could be a gift and a curse. You know what I'm saying? But like I always say, man, we have 8 hours together every day. I spend more time with these guys than I do with my own family awake at home, man. So we try to make the best of it. I try to give them the best that we can, and just enjoy the experience of being at work and enjoying ourselves. You know, come here and basically work while we're hanging out with our family. That's kind of what we see it like, and I thank God that it's come together in a great way, and we have been able to accomplish great things. So as this shop begins to grow, I want my team to grow. To me, it's very important. You know what I'm saying? To not just have the growth of myself, I want my team to grow. I want my team to prosper, man. I want my team to come here. I'm waiting for the day that Drew comes up and tell me, Jeff, I want you to show you the brand new Silverado I got outside. I want Josh to come with his car. I want my team, you know, to be together. We can celebrate the prosperity of us all together as a unit, as one. Because if my team shines, then definitely you know that I shine, man. And we all shine because of you guys, our customers and our clients. If you guys would not be giving us a business, man, we would not be able to do what we have to do here. We want to always thank y'all for the clientele, for you guys being so faithful to us, so good to us, man. I promise you we're gonna keep on rolling for y'all, but just wanted to, you know, first of all, just give you an update of what's going on here. We have a couple beautiful cars I'm gonna show you right now. We got our right now on deck. This is a beautiful Camaro. We did some 4 speakers on it the other day. We're actually adding an amplifier to this bad boy, and this bad boy is gonna be rocking and rolling. He's actually getting this done, but I'm also doing something else, y'all. I'm gonna be installing on this bad boy a subwoofer kit. So you can have 2 8 inches, two Nemesis Audio H Series 8s, 2.5K amplifier, Pro Box Series box that we built in for that right now. All that could be installed in that car. We should be having joy and happiness and confusion with that car, man. So we're rolling on that one here. In the building today, you already know that we got rid of this Lexus. This is my wife's Lexus. This car is actually here because my wife has some aftermarket accessories that I put in this car. We are removing the accessories from this car to be able to get them out so they could take back their full trade, because this car should be out of here in a few. We got my guy over here, Gordo, working on his Cracker 300. I built this car about 6 years ago. He's actually came back because he blew out his amplifier. It's not my choice of amplifier, but you know, customers do what they got to do. He has that Boss. I sold him a Nemesis for his vocals. He never really wanted to buy the amplifier for the Boss, for the subwoofer, so he used the Boss. The fire has failed him, and it's we're replacing it for him and just doing what we have to do, y'all. But this is kind of what the day's looking like. We're just rolling and rolling. We're doing what we do. Long story short, what's going on, we're going to give you our preview. We walk to the shop here and show you exactly what we got going on with our master technician. So Drew, talk to us and tell us what's going on, pa.
This ain't the finalized. This is just a little something that I got going. I still got to get it all put together and stuck and all that. But this is an idea of what it's going to look like.
Let me show you from over here. This is just a preview of the preview, y'all. And I want you to see that I get it done here at the shop, man. My team, man. Listen, man, they make your dreams reality. I always say something from Will Castro. If you're ever watching this channel, man, you're from Unique Whips. I've always looked up to you, man. One of the leaders. I've been in the industry for 20-something years. But you've been a great inspiration, man. I've seen you rock and roll. I've seen you fall down. I've seen you get back up again. And I love your saying, man, your car is just a car until it's unique, man. So in reality, I don't want to steal it from you, but I stole it from you, man. I stole it from you because I'm Boricua, you Boricua, and you really have a thing. You rock and roll to New York, man, and you're doing your thing again, and we're doing the same thing here. So I'm going to go like Will said, your car is just a car until it's unique. So make your car unique. Bring in the AUDIOZONE. Let it get that touch. You'll be good to go. All right, y'all. So right now at the point in time, the guys have been rolling since this morning, getting everything knocked out. I'm going to give you an update of what we got here. Y'all can see the headlights from factory are being removed. We're installing the flow module back there. We got the boxes over here. Headlights are completely removed. Now, this is what's going on. We're upgrading this Dodge to LEDs. These Dodges have a problem with reference to being able to read a CAN bus signal. So the problem is that the lights shut off when you do LED simple. Even if you install CAN bus, Chrysler was famous for this before. Those load resistances will simulate a 6 ohm load. So let me tell you what's going on. If you get a regular light bulb right now, and you could do that, John, I'm facing myself. If you get a light bulb right now, and you actually get an ohm meter and you measure the ohms, it measures between 6 to 8 ohms on the unit for resistance. So if you see these cars that have a lamp out monitor, where they say the headlights out, the way they do it is whenever the ground and the positive together go through CAN bus, they show a resistance of ohms. If it doesn't see the ohm load, it tells you the light bulb's out, because obviously the filament in the middle of the bulb broke. When that breaks, it stops the signal from coming through. So those, what they're gonna do, they're gonna allow us to be able to simulate having a 6 ohm load through these boxes. So you see that it's 50 watts, there can be an 8 ohm load. This is another 50 watt, 8 ohm load, so it's 50 watts of power, but it can allow us to be able to have the unit trick the computer and say everything's okay and let the LED work properly. Josh is on it right now. I flipped him, he's actually doing the wiring, getting this one situated. Mr. Drew's over there finishing the light install, and we should have this done in a few to give you all the update. I can't wait to see the customer's reaction. It's a one-off build. He wanted it, we did it, AUDIOZONE. Got this guy came in, man, he wanted to add these caliper covers to this car. Josh is already in the process, man. If you need those caliper covers, another thing that we do here at AUDIOZONE, man, we did the wheels and tires, gonna do some back in the day, but you can see what the calipers look like now. Let me show you the front side of the other one, and then you get to understand what it is that we do and how we do it. This is AUDIOZONE, baby, because that's what the caliper look like original, y'all. You see that? It's behind the wheel, and now when we get this wheel installed, look how this one looks behind the wheel. He's actually popping that in right now. But I'm gonna give you a preview of the preview, and you'll be able to have an idea. Look, guys, you see the difference? Man, again, come and visit us in Irving, Texas, man. We got people calling from New Jersey, from New York, from Florida. You need something done, come to the shop. We're definitely gonna get you done. Okay, guys, so we finally got a word from my technician, Drew, that the Dodge Ram is ready to be signed, sealed, and delivered. I just came and did the inspection. Everything looking good. I'm gonna show y'all what's going on. First one ever, guys. Look at this, Dodge Ram. First one ever. Turn off the blinker. Look at that. That was not the way it was. We actually made this a Flow series lights in the front. Does not come, you can't even buy them if you wanted to. We have converted this. He's doing the Flow red right now. He's doing the whites. He's doing all this, and the signals still work. So turn on the lights. White when he's driving, turn them off. Turn off the lights. And then he got Flow series, doing any color he wants, man. So again, if you could dream it, man, we can achieve it. We're guaranteed to do the best that we can to serve you in everything we do. We're at 1230 North Beltline Road in AUDIOZONE. It's our name, man. God's been good. We got this bad boy going out the door, signed, sealed, delivered. We're gonna get this customer to pick it up and see what his reaction is, man. We are happy, thank God. Guys, I am so excited, man. If y'all seen the video I just posted yesterday or today, actually, of the purchasing with the car, the problem that I have, guys, is that I had sold my Canon G7 Mark II, and I had ordered a new Sony, and I just received the camera. I'm about to open the box. I'm hoping everything went good with shipment. I'm excited, man. It's supposed to be a better camera. I'm a little excited, guys, so let's see. I know this is the camera because the only package I'm waiting for in the shop. Yep, I got it here. So this is the new camera for the AUDIOZONE, guys. It's the A6400 Sony. It's supposed to have better focus features. It's supposed to be better for a lot of other things. Got HDMI, it's got Bluetooth inputs for microphones and so on. I'm very, very excited, guys, because this is my camera that I'm waiting for to be able to give y'all better content, to give y'all better vlogs, man. So my baby is here. I am pulling it out. This is the new camera for the AUDIOZONE. Got the screen. It also comes here where I can see where I'm vlogging, you see? And it's supposed to have a better battery life and everything else. So I am really excited to get this bad boy here and get on the road. New vlogs, here we go, guys. All right, guys, we got the client just walked in the door to pick up the Dodge Ram. We're about to walk him outside. He's a long-term customer of ours, Mr. Okay, you want to say your name?
Val.
There you go, Mr. Fowl's up in the building here. We're turning on his truck real quick. Back what's going on, but before you do everything, hold on. Bring it here in the shade. And I just want to see your reaction. Come here, Mr. Fowl. So we're walking out here right now to see what the client's reaction is going to be as he sees this. He's got a one-off, never been done, never happened, brand new, ready for him, and it is ready to roll. I am about to have him down, and let's see what goes on. But now turn on the parking lights. The light, parking light. So now you got the white. Turn the signal. Turn off the signal. Turn off the parking lights. Turn on the lights. The flow. So now this is what's going on, because you've already seen that at the camera, already seen all those other features. I want you to see your flow series. One-off lights. Boom. Right now we got the client outside, his girl with a girlfriend. It's not the same girl he brought last time, but it's his girlfriend today. He's here with her today. She's about to see the reaction of his car. Drew, do the honor, turn on the lights. How you like the lights? Yeah, no, okay, let's go. Flow them around. You are the only one who has this right now on this Dodge Ram. This whole flow series that you just got done here, it just got custom built. Nobody has it. Yeah, it's a lot brighter than that, but you're in the daylight. But guys, I'm gonna tell you the first one to have this. In fact, I'm gonna do something. So now you get to see them flowing, as you can see here on the camera. That's your flow series lights. Look at this. You look like a damn billboard. Look at this. So now when you go down the street, you have all those feet. Turn on the parking lights. Turn on the hazard lights. That's what we got going, Mr. Fowl. You asked for a certain job. We told you we could do it. I know we did it. I got a question for you, Mrs. Everyday.
What's up?
How you feel about the lights?
I like them.
You like them a lot? How you feel about it?
Bro, they're sick.
Man, I'm glad that you came by. You gave the chance to serve you, man. So this is about the shop right now. He can be signed, sealed, delivered. We'll continue with the other car, man. I'm glad we were able to get it done. I like it because I'm also sitting behind a little white thing, so it makes it subtle, but it makes it complete. So I love it a lot, man. So we'll continue. Guys, for the day getting ready to close up, we're getting the cars out of the shop right now. We're speaking, man. We got So we got the customer here who owns this beautiful Camaro that y'all saw me vlogging earlier today, man. He had it all set up. There's a little issue that happened with him. We took care of him, made him hopefully happy. He just heard his car. My question is, man, how you feeling right now?
Man, I'm feeling awesome.
You feel good,
Yes, sir.
completed,
Yes, sir.
satisfied,
Yes, sir.
happy with AUDIOZONE. You'll come back, refer us to a friend. Give us a tip of $200. I don't know about that part. But anyway, y'all, man, we're getting ready to wrap up the day, man. We all got Brent over here, too, in the building, man. He's the owner of the wide body with the missing parts that's been here. I think the car got hit by the coronavirus before anybody got hit by the coronavirus, because she's been sick since the beginning of the corona, right before she was the first. In fact, we have a national attention. The first case of coronavirus in the world was not in China. It was in AUDIOZONE with this car right here, because it was affected the hardest. She has not recovered yet. She is still sick, and we're still missing parts because of the coronavirus. So the first case of something getting sick of the coronavirus was in AUDIOZONE with that charge. Do you agree with me, Brent?
I agree.
I think that was the first case, man, because you know what, man?
We still ain't got it.
And she still ain't healed yet. There ain't no vaccine for the damn car. Unfortunately, all the vaccines right now are for Fords and Chevys. They ain't got no vaccine for Dodge. But we know that Dodge is going to do something with that 707 up in there, man. But anyway, we want to thank you guys for watching. Thank y'all for subscribing, man. At the end of the day, God bless.